Friends, in this video I will show you how to use Lightshot, a free and easy to use screenshot tools for Windows and Mac. Whether you are a software tester, content creator, or just to take a quick screenshot, Lightshot is powerful tools with user-friendly features. What is Lightshot? Lightshot is a lightweight screenshot tools that allow us to quickly capture any part of the screen and edit or share it instantly. It is available for Windows, Mac, and as a browser extension. For browser extension, we will discuss another video. How to download. Navigate to the official website and select your desired options, Windows or Macs. I select Windows. I already downloaded it. Install it by following the on-screen instruction. Double click yes. Select your desired language. Accept the agreement. Next. I already installed this. That's why the screen appear. Next. After installing, Lightshot run in background and replace default print screen key function. Print screen key function. So when you press print screen from keyboard, the screen become dark. Click and drag choose the specific area, or you can select tags bar and select icon. The screen become dream. Select your desired part. Lightshot feature. You can upload and share it social media using this icon, save it on your PC, copy it, save. For tools, you can use tools for highlighted any options or any text. You can choose your desired color. This one, you can use rectangle. There are multiple options. As a Q engineer, Lightshot is extremely useful for capturing bug and UI issues in applications. Annotated screenshot to highlighted the problem. This type of highlighted. Quickly share with developers, reducing the time spent on a bug reporting. It's really reduce the time. Just select upload. Lightshot versus other screenshot tools. When you compare it, simply and faster to use, provide cloud upload and sharing features instantly. Has an intuitive editing features. This I already discussed. Finally, Lightshot is an extremely tools to take quickly screenshot, especially for a software tester, education, and content creator. Try it, try it out and let me know for your comments. Thank you.